So what's going on, guys? DIY Dan again, and today I'm just servicing my 2003 Onan Marquis Gold 5500 generator. Just bought this Weekend Warrior. Wanted to have a nice fresh oil change on it. So I'm doing the oil filter, and the air filter on this service. So let's get to it. So my generator storage is on the side here. It's a pop-off panel, so that pops off and then it lifts up. You're going to have information of what oil filter, air filter, what oil to put in it right here on this tag. And it also gives you how many hours. So oil and filter change every 150 hours. I just got this trailer, so we're just doing it. So I've got a fresh slate on it. So I got my drain pan. This drain pan comes in really handy because it's a self-contained. Once you're done draining the oil, you just put the lid on. You can take it down to any auto parts store so they can take your oil from you. Your drain is right here, which has a hose coming right out the bottom. So I'm just going to set that over that. So while that's draining, I'm going to go ahead and pop the air filter off. Just got these little brackets here. Comes out, pulls down. And that just pulls out. A good thing to check whenever you're doing an air filter is to make sure you're not getting any dirt bypass up into this area or on your carburetor. Make sure that's all pretty clean up there, which it is. And that just sets in there. One of the most criticals is to make sure you get your air filter on correctly. That's the quickest way to dust an engine, ruin an engine. You get dirt by the air filter, there goes your engine. So make sure your clips are all in good shape. Make sure everything looks good, and every time you do an air filter, make sure you're not getting any bypass dirt into the carburetor. Okay, so we're done there. That's all snapped in all three good brackets there. So the oil filter you grab from the bottom here. I had to use a pair of channel locks to loosen it up. That first little bit, it was on there pretty tight. I'm going to go ahead and close off my oil now because it stopped draining. Okay. Spin this the rest of the way off. Keep the oil pan underneath it because you will get some oil dripping off of it. Whenever you do an oil change or an oil filter, make sure the old O-ring is still on the filter so you don't double O-ring. I've seen that happen before. It makes a big mess, and hopefully you realize it before you lose oil pressure. So my hour meter for my generator is in here. So I always write that on the oil filter. And then I go ahead and write the date. So that way I know when I did my oil change, and I can keep track of it for next time. Okay, so just put the oil filter back up in. And on the oil filter, you just give it a good snug by hand because it's such a small oil filter. That usually is plenty. Alright, now we're ready to fill it up. And it says how many quarts. Oil capacity is 2 quarts with the oil filter. The oil stick, or the oil fill, also has the dipstick on it. And the other thing that it gives you right here, which I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, so obviously we are going with 32 degrees Fahrenheit and higher, is straight SAE 30, so that's what I'm using. So I'm going to temporarily put the cap on because I didn't pre-fill the oil filter. You could if you wanted to, but I'm just going to crank it over a little bit and shut it down again, and then we'll fill it up again so it fills the oil filter. And I didn't prime it, so that actually worked really well because it didn't start up and just go. So our oil filter should be pretty full now. I got both quarts in it. And we are to the full line, right where it should be. Snug that down. Now this time I'm actually going to prime it, and she should fire right up. ahead and shut it down real quick again. I'm just making sure I'm still topped off with oil. And we are, so we're good to go. So that's how easy it is to change the oil on your generator, on your toy hauler or travel trailer, guys. So we're just going to slap the cover back on. It just hooks on and pushes forward, just like that. And slap the lid down and go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time.